that's how I can tell that, okay, this isn't root hairs. I've got some type of issue going on with rot or mold or something like that. I was trying to circle the area. All right, guys, so today we're gonna be talking about root hairs. So as we look at this tray right here, we can kind of see that obviously the crop needs to be watered. The soil is a little bit dry, but whenever I look really close, I see this white fuzz looking stuff starting to appear down at the base of the microgreens where the roots are. So this is actually not mold or any type of issue. This is just simply the radishes telling me, hey, Isaac, water me. Typically, whenever microgreens get to a point where they really need to be watered, they start to produce these fibers. And a lot of times people confuse it with mold or some type of rot issue. So whenever I look at this tray, the way that I can tell that these are root hairs versus some type of rot or mold issue is that I do see white fuzz, but it's all located right around the root of each microgreen. So whenever I take my hose and water, I'm just gonna do a small spray just so I can show you guys right here in the center. But whenever I get a little spray on there, the root hairs just start to disappear. And so when I look at the tray, if I were to see some white fuzz that's not just around the base or around the root of the microgreen, but it's actually starting to grow up into the canopy, that's how I can tell that, okay, this isn't root hairs. I've got some type of issue going on with rot or mold or something like that. So just be really careful with this. It's really easy to distinguish between the two once you know what you're looking for. But like I said, the best way to tell is if the fuzz is down on the roots, root hairs. If the fuzz is growing up into the actual stems and the actual canopy of the greens, you have something else going on. So I hope this tip helps you guys out, being able to decipher between root hairs versus mold issues. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.